The next app on the list is the music controller, and the way this app works is that it controls the music on the smartwatch. So this is why you cannot do anything here now. But if I go, for example, to YouTube and I open one of my playlists here, now you will see that I can go through this playlist and control it. So here it is. First I'm going to pause the video. Actually, I cannot pause the commercial. And now I can control it from here. I can tap here on pause. I can resume it. I can tap here on next to go to the next. Let's see. Okay, go to the next. Now it opens the next thing on the list. I can also go backwards to the first video, and I can also control the audio level here. So I can increase the audio level by tapping on the plus, and I can also reduce it by tapping on the minus. So this is how the music control works. And in this example I'm using YouTube, but it can also be any other app really.